Imagine this, one day Earth just stops spinning. In the moments that follow, everything begins to unravel. The skies raise, the oceans rise, the world we know disappears, not over centuries but within minutes. This isn't science fiction. This is a thoughtful experiment grounded in real physics. So what happens if Earth suddenly stops spinning? Let's find out. Earth spins at around 1600 kilometers per hour at the equator. But this motion is what keeps everything in balance. Our days, our winds, even the shape of our oceans. If the Earth were to stop suddenly, the solid ground beneath us would freeze in place. But the oceans and atmosphere wouldn't. They would keep moving with all that built-up momentum. Winds would roar across the planet at supersonic speeds. Forests would flatten. Cities would be torn apart. Oceans would surge out of their basins, flooding entire continents. In the blink of an eye, the quiet motion we depend on would become a violent force of destruction. With no rotation, one half of Earth would face the sun forever, trapped in constant daylight. Temperatures would climb well above boiling in some places. The other half, darkness would take over. Temperatures would drop rapidly, freezing the surface solid. Only a thin ring between light and dark would be somewhat livable. The Earth's rotation helps generate its magnetic field, the shield that protects us from solar and cosmic radiations. Without it, that shield could weaken or collapse entirely. Satellites would fail, GPS and communications would go offline. If Earth stopped spinning, the chances of survival would depend on where you are and how prepared we are. We would need underground shelters, radiation shielding, and artificial ecosystems. Farming, communication, even time itself would need to be reinvented. It wouldn't be the end of Earth, but it might be the end of civilization as we know it. Thankfully, this scenario is almost impossible. Earth isn't going to stop spinning anytime soon. But this thought experiment reminds us the quiet, invisible motions of our planet, the spin, the tilt, the orbit, are the foundation of life. We believe in balance because Earth keeps moving. And sometimes it's the things we don't even notice that matter the most.